Why Sanatan Dharma has no concept of conversion? Strange in world scenario currently? Well, today let's explore that. The answer is deeply rooted in its scriptures, the worldview, and the very soul of Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan Dharma or Hinduism means eternal Dharma, not a religion in the modern sense, but a timeless way of living in harmony with truth. It has no single founder, no one holy book, no centralized authority. Instead, it offers many paths to the same ultimate reality, what we call Brahman. You might follow Krishna, Shiva, Devi, or none of these and still be walking the path. As the Rig Veda says, truth is one, the wise call it by many names. That's the heart of Sanatan Dharma. It respects all sincere paths to truth, not just one. In Sanatan Dharma, the goal is not conversion but self realization. The Upanishad says, you are that, meaning the divine is already within you. You don't need to change religions to find it, you just need to go inward. The Bhagavad Gita teaches, better is one's own dharma, though imperfect, than another's dharma well performed. Meaning, we are all born with our own natural path, our swadharma. Trying to become someone else, even spiritually, can lead to confusion. That's why conversion doesn't fit into a Sanatan way. Sanatan sees all of life as sacred, not just those who believe in a certain way. A few core principles of Sanatana are every soul is divine, all paths, when sincere, lead to the divine. No one is outside the reach of truth. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, in whatever way people approach me, I receive them. All paths lead to me. So if someone prays in church, mosque or temple, Sanatan Dharma teaches they are still walking toward the same truth. No one needs to convert because they are already divine. Unlike other organized religions, Sanatan Dharma never develops a system of converting people. Why? Because it's not just joining a group, it's about living Dharma. There is no ceremony required to become Hindu, no rejection of your past. In fact, many Hindus simply say, you live Hinduism, you don't join it. There is no pressure, no compulsion, and certainly no preaching with the intent to convert. That's not Sanatan way. Now let's understand the key difference. Conversion means leaving one identity behind to accept another, often due to social or external pressure, while Dharma is about living truthfully, in harmony with your soul and your duties. Sanatan says you don't have to reject where you come from. You don't have to label yourself differently. You simply walk your path sincerely. Even those from other faiths who embrace Sanatan values, compassion, ahimsa, and truth, are living in Sanatan. Sanatan doesn't force you in. It simply says, live righteously, realize the self. Sanatan Dharma teaches, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family. That's why Hindu can bow to Jesus, respect Buddha, or honor Allah, not out of confusion, but out of understanding. It's not about one right path, it's about many rivers flowing to the same ocean. We do not convert others because we do not believe they are lost. We believe they carry divine light. Having said that, let that sink in. That's the spiritual maturity of Sanatan Dharma. So my friends, Sanatan Dharma does not convert because it sees divinity in every being and truth in many paths. Instead of asking who is right, it asks how can I live rightly. If this message resonates with you, reflect on your own dharma, walk with path and honesty, love and awareness. And remember, you may be of any religion and practicing any faiths. Sanatan is already inside you. You just have to reach it and have self-realization. Jai Sanatan.